right, over here at the Night of Jack, and we're going to check it out.
When you enter, there's food trucks and all kinds of shops.
After you make it past all the maze of food trucks and everything, now you get where you can do pictures.
And right here you can get a hot cocoa with some extra stuff for the adults and a bar just to the left. It was totally relaxing, coming in, completely organized, not crowded, completely pleasurable. All right, and as you can see, we got all kinds of things going on here with these wonderful displays, talking pumpkins, and more. You got thousands of hand-carved jack-o'-lanterns that light up the night. I love this one about the UFOs. They had some really interesting, different kind of displays. I'm not showing everything here because you have to go see it for yourself. And it was an amazing experience. I mean, from the time that you arrive to the time that you exit, it was completely pleasurable. You didn't feel crowded. There's plenty of space. There's bars along the way. So there's one that's about halfway through. So if you're wondering, should I get another drink here? Well, just remember, it is really about halfway through when you get to this second bar. And then my favorite place was right here, and this was just completely mesmerizing and just amazing. This animated LED display playing all kinds of different things, and really kind of cool. There was this animated thing that was showing on the screen earlier. I missed that one. I didn't quite record that, but this is incredible. They also have Jurassic Park inspired dinosaur displays, the Jack Express train, some Hollywood themes, cool cemeteries. I mean, it was a mixture of all kinds of things. Everywhere you turn, it's awe-inspiring. And then this one here is a winter wonderland. You just have to go check this out. It's worth it.